Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 lag and FPS drops problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type view advanced system settings, and now once you're here, go to settings, click adjust for best appearance, and then click apply and OK, and after that just close it and then go to background apps. Now turn off this option and then go back, and after that go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, check for updates and make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, and then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.